Hello everyone, we are going to solve x by x plus 1 is equals to x plus 1 by x plus 2. So let's solve it. So first I'm going to do cross multiply to eliminate the denominator. So x times x plus 2 is equals to x plus 1 times x plus 1. Now expand both sides. First left hand side. So x times x is x squared plus 2x is equals to, this becomes x squared plus x plus 1. So x squared plus 2x is equals to x squared plus 2x plus 1. Now take the x squared plus 2x to this side. So x squared minus 2x is equals to 1. So this will cancel out. So this is 0 is equals to 1. That's not possible. So this is a contradiction. That means no solution exists. So this equation that fooled millions. So because there is no solution exists. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. Don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt related to exponent algebra or maths problem, you can comment on your question. Thank you so much.